Today, we would like to share with you our latest changes that allow us to operate more eco-friendly and provide customers with a much more pleasant unpacking experience with our solutions. Here's the new, more sustainable packaging, specially designed by DS Smith for our AlphaShot XL, AlphaShot 360 and AlphaShot Micro solutions, replacing wooden crates. Since the beginning, we have seen many benefits for our customers, the environment and even ourselves. Above all, we strive to provide our customers with a completely pleasing unpacking experience. Accessories and product information are carefully placed, making the entire process more user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. What's more, the new packaging makes the recycling process much easier once the product is unpacked. In order to be more eco-friendly, we have reduced shipment weights by as much as 31%, which is of great importance in reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions during transportation. What's more, these new packages are fully recyclable, which means we can efficiently recycle and reuse raw materials. In addition, we have seen an impressive decrease in packaging costs of up to 51%, as well as saving in warehouse space and a significant reduction in the time required for the packaging process. In addition, they guarantee the safe transportation of our delicate solutions, which is extremely important to us. All in all, increasing the use of sustainable packaging for our products has made a significant contribution in reducing plastic, lowering CO2 emissions, streamlining the packaging recycling process, and improving the overall unpacking experience. This is a step toward a more sustainable future that we are building together. We are proud to continue our efforts to protect the environment and satisfy our customers.